And England, Pakistan, India match, Gautam Gambhir, the batsman, right batsman, and said the big problem, spinner bowling, and after the heat seekers.
On the very good first.
The first bowling, the starting, and they said the no problem. Shahid Afridi and Muhammad Yusuf, the batsman, the cure, the Sydney crowd 2011, and said no problem.
And the one that was elected to ball first.
The ball first, the Pakistan elected to ball first, and the Sydney ground 2011, the magnificent shooting in Group B.
And the one that was elected to ball first.
And the one that was elected to ball was the Pakistan 289 per 9, and India team 186 per 6, and this is the Pakistan winning the toss.
And the one that was elected to ball first, Pakistan, India.
Pakistan India match, the big match, the final match, the Sydney ground 2011. They really have to just try magnificent shooting.
And Dubai and India and England.
England India match is quarter final match. This is the no problem Sydney ground 280 plus England and India 200 atash peta hai.
And one of those England and
not touching, don't touch me, and the right-handed batsman said Mal magnificent shot, and Abdul Wajid.
And that in England and Chelsea.
Abdul Wajid Dukan 100 former no problem. Abdul Wajid Dukan the cards nakari jihad bal sara wali the chefa pad the uri nakari card the wali.